Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to remove profile picture in Viber, and now let's dive right in. Now to remove profile picture on your Viber account, first open up your Viber app on your phone. And on this interface guys, at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see there's a more button available for us with the three dotted icons guys. Tap on the more button with the three dotted icon at the bottom right and you'll land on this interface. Now in order to proceed to remove your profile picture in Viber, tap on the pen icon at the top right corner of the screen, and over here you can see your profile picture available at the top. First you will be required to tap on the camera icon at the right side of the profile picture over here guys. Tap on that camera icon which is at the bottom right of the profile picture section over here, and then this kind of interface will appear. Now in order to remove your profile picture in Viber, we can see the remove photo option available for us over here at the bottom section of this option. Tap on remove photo and tap on remove photo again on this pop-up box, and then your profile picture on Viber will be removed. And with that being said guys, this is how you will be able to remove profile picture in Viber. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.